Hi everyone, I'm back with my unboxing for the month of September, which is it's October's kit, I believe. Let's see what I got. So excited. I love getting these kits every month. They're so awesome. You start off by getting a note from the owner, and it says pumpkin spice. Who else is not a pumpkin spice fan? I'm not a pumpkin spice fan of food or drink, but I love pumpkins. So we always get a message from her. And let's see. Let's start off. I get the mini dory, the medium dory, and the standard dory kit, plus the planner add-on. And if you hear snoring, it's the bullies. I have 3 bulldogs, and it's still morning, so they are not active. So let's go through here. I love that each one of these pages is different, and you can use this to put pictures in, memory keeping, or your actual planner with, you know, dates that you need to get stuff done. It's really, oh, look at the big old pumpkin. Wouldn't that be cute for like a baby who's at the pumpkin patch to put a picture there? Or the moms who take pictures of their little baby butts with a little pumpkin little butt. That would be cute to put there. And it says, I love grandma, or I love grandma and grandpa, or I love mom and dad on this side, or something. You know, that's just so cute. That's what comes up to my head. Because, you know, it's pumpkin season, so everyone posts pictures. Oh, look how vibrant and awesome those are. And they have gourds, and how neat. I love this kit. I love these kits in general. Cocoa Daisy kits. They're always awesome. Each page is different. They're so inspiring. They really are. So that one was the personal. So mini, personal, standard. Yeah. So that was the standard. No, this is the personal. Yeah. And then this is the only one that's different with the front. And this is the mini. So I think all the insides are the same on this one. Maybe. Or maybe they're all different. Nope, there's the pumpkin. Cute. So you can even give this to like your mom and dad, or your aunt and uncle, or someone special in your life, and they can like do a little month of notes to your baby. That would be cute. That way they can see it when they're like 18. So this is what I have been seeing online, and I have thought this was adorable. This is a it's totally attached, which is awesome. A big old bow. Speaking of babies, right? Don't you see these big old bows on their heads? That is so cute. Oh, and it's got a brown polka dot lining, and it has a tassel on the side. The hardware is also very sturdy and very nice, so it can, you don't feel like you're going to break it with the weak, you know, like Walmart zippers, those, you know, 59-cent ones that are really cheap. So those are quality zippers and stuff. I think this came in the main kit. It didn't come in the planner add-on. So this right here is the main kit. I'm going to show you the main kits right now. Move this stuff out of the way. So this is the standard dory, and this is the kit I get. They have lots of different ones. So start of it, and this also is the same, I believe. Yes. I love that. That's so cute. So now you can see the difference: standard, personal, and mini. So can you see that? Yeah. So that is them. Okay. Now this is still the standard kit. There you get some washi. That is floral. Pretty. And you get, I love these notepads we always get. It's so great. Pumpkin. Oh, and look at these flags. They're paperclip flags. I love the packaging too. I keep those also. Oh, and puffy stickers. I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are amazing. How cute is that? And this is the bigger, whoops, this one's in a package. So this is in, I like opening unboxing with you guys, so that's why none of my stuff is opened and you're gonna have to hear the crinkling because I like seeing it when you see it. This is the bigger notepad, which is awesome. Love that. And these are the standard stickers you get each month. So these are the standard ones. And this is, my husband's working, so that scanner's on, sorry guys. So things to do, and then you have the big one. So this one. So cute. So cute. And then the dashboards. Dashboards are double-sided, so you get these two. Okay, so this is one side, that's the other side, which is this side. So you get 6, but they're double. 2 of them, they're each 3 of them. We get 6, and 3 of them are double-sided, right? Is that the way you say it? I don't even know. Pumpkins and gourds. See, yeah. So you get 6, but the 3 are double-sided, right? Is that how you say it? Okay, I don't know. So, love that. That was just striped, so I didn't bring it up to you guys. That's the dashboards. And this is the little embellishments we get with the page flags. Love that. Okay, so that is the standard. And this is the planner add-on. Sometimes we get pen gems, which are very, very pretty. Pen gems are very pretty. You either love them or hate them. I don't use them too much. I like them, but they have a heavy nib, a really thick nib, and that when I have a thicker nib, I tend to write like huge, and my writing looks even worse than normal. So yeah, so I don't tend to use the bigger nibs. Let's see, it'll focus. Hold on. There you go. Is that not pretty? And you can tell pen gems, you can tell the real pen gems because they have their name stamped in them. And they also have, well, I mean, most of the cheap knockoffs have the little pearl on the top too, but it has to say pen gem on the on this little piece. So that's the pen gem. So this is the planner add-on, and then this is the washi that comes in. Focus. There it goes. So that one's cute. Oh, and look at this is Simon. This is Cocoa Daisy's mascot. You know, like Simon Says Stamp has their little English bulldog. No, they don't have English bulldog. They have a French bulldog. What am I talking about? I'm talking about my English bulldogs. I love when we get these. These are the pen holders that you can put on your books, on your like your Chiyannes. You can put your little tab. It's got a 3M thing on there. I always, and then see, you can match it up with your Chiyanne lining, and you put a pin through here, which I just have the pin. See, so you can put it anywhere you want. And since it's new, it's thick. See, so you can add your pen. This is a pen holder or a pencil, whatever you want. You can put it inside, the outside, on your dashboards. You can put it on your dashboards. So it's really neat. I like getting these. So that is the pen holder. And let's see. Let's see. We get a little 3x4 card. We get a little one. It says, the bad news, nothing lasts forever. The good news, nothing lasts forever. Right? Exactly. I love the quotes we get each month because they're just like so thoughtful. They're just so thought out. I can smell autumn dancing in the breeze. In California, we say fall. So when I get autumn stuff, I tend to donate them. or give them away because we don't say autumn here. I don't know. I just like saying fall 3 letters instead of all those letters when I do my PL and stuff, Project Life. So, but you know what I can also do is just, what I like to do is be creative where you can put a sticker or you can just change this or fussy cut this out, and then that way I can still keep the bottom. Don't let the little stuff throw you off, you guys. I noticed that autumn is more than the season of the soul than of nature. Oh. And then we get these stickers. These are standard stickers we get also. Love that. If you never heard of Project Life, go to BeckyHiggins.com. She is the creator of it, and it is the best thing ever. I love it. I'm addicted to Project Life. So, and you can go to Pinterest or Instagram, and you can see everybody's different take on Project Life. These are the little die cuts we get. I love the purples and the reds and the deep reds, the oranges. I love this stuff so much. I was made for fall. See, there's one that says I was made for fall. So cool. So, alright guys, what do you think? I love it. If you guys want to subscribe, which I highly recommend, because that way you're guaranteed a kit each month, let Mary Kay know. All my stuff is in the description box, and to email her and let her know that you subscribed because you watched my channel, and give her my name, and we both get $10 off the store. The store only. It doesn't go off your subscription. The store, and we both get $10 off, $20 or more. So you'll spend $20 in the store, use your $10 off coupon, and it's only $10 plus shipping, of course. But yeah, it's worth it. It really is. Each and every month, it is worth it. So, all right, guys, take care. Have an awesome week. We'll see you all next month. Bye.